We're getting her plugged in. My UPS. Come on. Come on, oh, there it is. There's that outlet. Can we get it? Where is it? Oh. Come on, boy. Get that goddamn outlet home. Come on, boy. Get that outlet. Oh. All right. Whew. Okay, next is this sucker. Needs to get plugged into the back of the UPS. Hold on a minute, there you go. Alright. Alright. Where is it? Right there. Right there. What's up with this, huh? Output off. Oh, what the fuck? What the hell is this? What the hell is this? Dude, this thing's a mess. Okay, I had to turn it on. Something like that. Oh. God damn it.
Well, I think they're very, just really kind of foggy. Yeah, we used to work that out.
Run a self-test or whatever that they do. Wow. We'll look at it later. I'm sweating like a wildebeest. I gotta put the box. Took me a while to figure it out, and then I figured out the setup. My other one didn't need any setting up. This one did. This one did. Well, like it needed like a quick menu setup in the with the LED. Quick menu setup. This just worked.
No. Where did they live?
Oh. What's in the bag? Oh. I think it's bracket and stuff. That wall bracket stuff. Almost knocked over my 49-inch Dell. There it is. Whew. It ain't going nowhere. Nice and steady. go with my Dells. See, the hand's not all the way fixed. Look at this. Got 2 Dells here. Another Dell over there. Another Dell inside my other room. 49 or whatever. It don't matter.